Okay, now we have loose all the screws, so we should open the back cover from the opposite side. Opposite side of touch screen. You see, this side is touch screen, so we should open it from the opposite side. Okay. Because the touch screen side have cables, so you cannot open from this side. You should from the opposite side. And here is the display board and touch button board. The upper for this one is the display, and this part is for touch buttons. And there is a cable here. There is a cable here to connect the touch board. We think the cable must be loose. You see here, this position must be loose. So we need to connect it. We can check it first. We can check it first if it has loose, and if it loose, we should push it to connect there. Okay, but for this device, we have connected it there, so so it works fine. But you should try to see if this have been loose, and if it is loose, you should pull to connect it, or you can lose these 6 screws. This one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You lose these 6 screws, and you can take the board out, and you can connect the cable wheel.